2026, baby. Your girl is back vlogging. Yeah, I gotta catch y'all up on so much stuff, but today is a special day for me. Today we going to our first Galentine's event. So y'all already know we own vending machines. Last year we got us an office space, and this year I just told God whatever he wanted me to do with this office space, I was gonna do it. Delicious Vending is up and running. We've been in business for 4 years now. She's Dope is doing a rebrand, so we have a lot of exciting things for that. But y'all, our clothes came in today. I'm super excited for that. So I'm gonna show y'all some of our new drops that's coming. I'm gonna show y'all our office space today. I'm just gonna take y'all along with me to catch y'all up because I miss y'all so much. But if you're new here, I'm Nicole. Welcome to the vlog, baby. You will love it here. Also, y'all, we do all kind of things over here. We do mom vlogs, hair vlogs, husband vlogs, children vlogs. We do it all over here, baby. You will love it here. So I'm about to go to the office. I gotta do my nails before I leave the house because I do want to have my nails done before tonight. But yeah, just catching y'all up.
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Hey, but girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they
I just want to tell y'all, this year, do not go above and beyond for anybody, okay? Like, stand on your business. Stand on what you said that you're not going to do. I don't care, period. And that's where I'm standing at. I'm going to leave you where I left you. I'm going to drop you like you hot. I've been doing it, and I will continue to keep doing it. And guess what? I've been elevating, okay? Period. But I just wanted to say that because I got like a text message while I was doing my nails, and I was just like, bullshit. I already knew you was gonna do that to me. Stop playing with me. Like, stop. I do too much for people. I'm just a good person. But anyway, y'all, yeah, did my nails. Y'all can check out the outfit. I just threw a little something on. It ain't really an outfit, but my hair look good and my makeup look good, and I feel good. Let's go. This is the office space. So cute, right? Oh my goodness. So y'all come along. I'm so excited to show you guys. It's been simmering up, baby. It's been in the pot, in that crock pot cooking. And this right here, excuse us, we got some workers here. And this is when you enter at the Galentine's Day. Good vibes only over here. We got some stuff. We decorating everything right now for our event tonight. Got this. And this is what it's looking like. Looks so good. Right? Yes, it looks so good. It's gonna be our first Galentine's event. I'm super excited. Y'all, also gotta show y'all the new drop. Everything is coming together. Let me sit y'all down. Okay, so let me be the first to say, I haven't seen anything, so this is gonna be our first time seeing it together. Okay, I'm super excited, y'all. This is my first time looking at it. Like I told y'all, we did a rebrand. I did a everything. I wanted everything ready for Valentine's Day, but God said, baby, things take time, and it's been taking time. So these are our shorts. So cute. Oh my goodness, they got the SD right there. So cute. Got the scrunch backs. These are cute. Top, I think. Yes, we got the halter top. Cause period, SD, she's dope. The material is thick. The padded bra, real thick, real cute. Oh, I love this. So we got the shirt, the shorts, and pants. Cause of course, everybody like pants too. These are cute. I'm gonna say the material is super thick. Like, I like that. got, oh, this is so butter soft. This is cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. SD on the back. Yes, I got this new vendor. This vendor is eating. That is details. Details. That new vendor is eating. We got a jacket. We never had a jacket. We got a jacket. I ain't gonna get emotional. I said I ain't gonna be no crop with this. We got a jacket. Oh my goodness. Look at the jacket. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Girl, we gonna be cute. Okay. The jacket is so cute. I've been waiting on you because this is the one I wanted. This is the flare pants. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. This is cute. Oh, they're so long. But that's cute. The material. Oh my goodness. This is small. Ooh, I gotta gain a little weight. That's cute. Too cute. It's the other bag. Too cute. I love that. That is cute. I love brown. Yeah, I just got them in brown because, like, why not? Damn cute. Damn cute. My goodness. It's so cute. I love these. It's got a regular shirt. They give y'all different styles. Just the shirt. And that's cute. That's cute. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Because if you want to be covered up, or you don't want to have no clothes on, we got you. And I like that. And it's just something for the babes. You could never go wrong with like a basic jacket. I wanted black, but she said it was out at the time. But we will have black. I just got this. It's so cute. This for all my neutral girls, because I know y'all love the neutral colors. Yes. But this is the new She's Dope. We're gonna be dropping. We rebrand everything. Y'all let me know in the comments which one y'all gonna be getting. This is the other side. So we actually share with someone. But yeah, so cute. It's gonna look way better. That's the office space and I love it, y'all. So I am pressed for time today, baby. I gotta get back and finish helping her out. So right now I gotta go check the vending machine. So that's where we're going now. And then I gotta go pick the girls up from school. And then I gotta pick Troy up from school. And then I gotta get ready and then come back. We here. Like I told y'all, I'm pressed for time. Y'all will not see me fill this whole thing because I think it's empty, but I gotta hurry up. You know, Sunny had changed it. Like, I just told him, I said, I don't think they like that stuff, but I'll bring the other stuff back. Yeah. He's trying to make y'all healthy. That's all.
My picture out the window, tell MCI to cut the phone calls, break my lease so I can move, cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call, I can tap AOL, make my email stop, cause you a bugaboo, you bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing and paging my people, you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you weren't cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. 'Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my milk box food.
Okay, y'all, so I'm all ready. Did my hair, did my makeup, got the lips on, got the outfit. You can still see the perfume. She's still soaking in. Nails done, outfits, check. Let's go. Just made it to the event, and I just want to show y'all how it looks outside, y'all. When I say she is so cute, she is so cute. Look at her. So this is how it looks outside. And the girls is already in here setting up. Hey guys, hey. And this is our next event, Valentine's Sipping Paint Night, couple, single. Y'all come on. It looks so good. When I say it's so cold out here, my fingers are froze. Y'all, what's up? Troy is on a 707 football team. We back, baby. It's a new season, new year. I'm getting back in the Jeep, baby. It's too cold for this. Oh! Oh!
Ah! Then we came back in.
Yes, I'm proud.
Is it crying? What's your little crying?
It was a little cry, a little tears. It's freezing out there.
Is it okay? I don't want to go outside.
Please don't walk out.
I want to stay in. You got there a long time.
It's cold out there.
It's Troy cold.
Girl, you got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings?
What's up, you guys? I just want to reintroduce myself. I am Nicole, the stay-at-home mom of 4. I have a 19-year-old, a 14, 5, and 6. So I actually been a stay-at-home mom for 7 years, and I just want to give all thanks to God and my husband, okay? Because I've been living my best life. And I told myself if I don't come on here raw like this, then I wasn't gonna pick the camera back up. So this season, I will just be giving you just me, unfiltered. Y'all can see we kind of switched up spaces, and I'm in a preparation of rebranding. She's dope. We just got a suite. It's called Suite 104. We got that last summer, and we still have delicious vending. So your girl been busy. Started a small mini perfume collection, and I started a standing fall collection. I've still been buying products. So I'm in this season of revamping up my life. I've been on a great journey. Everything's been good. So I told myself I have to come to y'all unfiltered, and this is the unfiltered version that y'all getting. Baby, I'm struggling trying to clean up and create and do all this stuff, but I don't know what I want to call the vlogs. I'm over there on Instagram, and I hate Instagram, if we're being honest. Like, it's just so washed up. You know, you can't be yourself over there, and over here you can be yourself. Just be yourself. And so over there, I use the stay-at-home mom diaries. That's what I've been using. So I'm thinking about calling this the stay-at-home mom diary vlogs and etc. So today, I'm just going to be cleaning my room and just getting back to the basics. Let's do it.
A bugaboo. I wanna put my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone calls. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call. FAOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. 'Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my milk box full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now here's the thing I owe you. You have to call as much you do. I give them back to the group with you. And so what? Mama likes you, like you. Now here's the thing I will do. You let me move, say it like you do. I don't really care 'cause you a bugaboo. My picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone calls. Break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call line. FAOL, make my email stop. You a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot. Then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house. And it's not hot that I can't even go out.
Zoe being a mean sister today.
What happened? What happened?
Zoe being a mean sister today. That's not my fault. Those letters. That's not my fault. That's their fault.
Hold on, what happened?
So, the game called. I forgot what the game called. And I told her that I started with an E, but I said, I don't know my letters. That's not my fault. She don't know she letters.
That's why you gotta know your letters now. Yeah, they're calling us. Finally, okay, y'all. So I didn't clean up my room. My room was a mess. And now I made some tacos because today is Taco Tuesday, y'all. We just went to New Orleans this weekend. We got some tacos. They was like mid. Everybody else liked them, but I didn't. So, of course, it's Taco Tuesday, and I had to make some tacos. So, yeah, we got tacos. And y'all already know that I love my lime. It ain't no tacos. You ain't got your lime, okay? I just don't know what you're doing if you ain't putting that lime on there. And lately, the limes ain't been having no juice in it. Is it just me? Or is it everybody? Taste buds just, ooh, I might eat that side. But that side ain't cute. Make a cute babes.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one bitch, you got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay?
Great job on the board. That's you, Pete. Good defense.
Good job.
Good defense.
Oh!
Right there. That's it, Bryce. Right there. Right there. 30 seconds. Hey! Oh, that's a good team. Oh, come on. Second. Go. Third down.
Heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is the road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that damn.
But why you came? Lock it down. Punch that ticket to the natty. Yes, sir. Congrats, dogs, right there. 14 you Hold up, come get that picture. What's through it? Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. It's tough out here, man.
What's up, you guys? Y'all, so I am headed to the office, y'all. So they told me they was putting up the sign, so I'm going to try to catch it while they putting it up. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh my goodness. When I tell y'all, it's been a long time coming. God has been showing up and showing out. We're going down the hill. I don't see nobody out here. Y'all, the sign is already up. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Delicious bending? Delicious bending? Wait, oh my goodness. Wait. Let me give y'all a view of it. Look. Oh my goodness. The sign is up. Oh my goodness! I cannot believe it! Oh my goodness! It looks so good! It looks so good! Look at it! Look at it! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's so cute! It's so cute! It is so cute! Thank you, God! Thank you, God! Ooh! That is her. Real time.
Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you?